Good evening, my friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. So if you missed out on any stimulus money, you may be able to claim it right now. But there is a deadline that you have to take action by. Our federal government has confirmed that hundreds of thousands of Americans are missing out on unclaimed relief checks. So friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter tomorrow's giveaway, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. And remember that the more often you comment below keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card giveaway. So friends, here is the update on tax credits in a push to ensure more low-income families get a chance to receive enhanced child tax credit payments for 2021. The Biden administration, the Treasury Department, and the Code for America organization are all promoting an online portal. It's to help families claim child tax credit benefits without having to file a tax return. The free tool was introduced in the fall of 2021 and was used by more than 115,000 families to claim about $440 million in tax benefits. But it was inactivated for this year's tax season to encourage taxpayers to file full returns, including any benefits owed to them. It is available across mobile devices and on desktop. The portal can be found online. When President Biden enacted the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, the child tax credit was expanded for 1 year, making it the largest U.S. child tax credit ever. Also providing most working families with $3,000 per child under the age of 18 and $3,600 per child 6 and younger. However, the child tax credit benefit was enhanced for only 1 year, and without further expansion or the adoption of President Biden's Build Back Better framework this year, the child tax credit will revert to its original maximum amount of $2,000 per eligible child. The return to pre-crisis payments will certainly have a significant impact on millions of American families, many of whom are already struggling to provide basic needs for their children. For the 2021 tax year, minimum earning requirements were waived for the child tax credit, making the credit available to a greater number of recipients. The American Rescue Plan also made the credit fully refundable and provided tax credit options for families to take half the credit in 6 monthly payments. Those who were eligible used the portal to submit information to receive the remaining portion of their credit. For those of you who have not received any child tax credit payments, there has been an outreach movement by groups like Code for America and government agencies to better communicate eligibility and registration concerns. A significant number of families did not know that they were eligible for the credit or were required to register through the government portals or digital platforms. Friends, the keyword for this video is Alberta. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Alberta, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. Taxing the wealthy is a big topic in Washington these days. President Biden recently proposed in his 2023 annual budget a so-called billionaire minimum income tax. It would increase levies on the country's wealthiest households. Under this plan, people with a net worth of $100 million or more would face a 20% tax on their full income, including unrealized appreciation. But one other proposal is to raise taxes on high earners making $400,000 a year and up. It could help solve Social Security's funding problems. Social Security is funded through payroll taxes, which in 2022 applied to wages up to $147,000. Both the employer and employee contribute 6.2% of wages up to that income threshold, which then is adjusted annually. A recent congressional proposal seeks to apply that payroll tax on wages of $400,000 and up, among other changes, to shore up these programs. The clock is ticking for our lawmakers to make changes to ensure that the program can continue to pay benefits as promised. The Social Security Board of Trustees estimates that the funds will be depleted in the year 2034, at which point only 78% of benefits will be then payable. To shore up the system, our leaders face a choice of cutting benefits through changes like raising the retirement age, increasing taxes, or doing a combination of both. Applying Social Security payroll taxes to those above the wage base is a popular idea with the public. So, dear friends, how do you think that our president can solve the problems with Social Security? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.
Be a roadblock for the next 2 years? That's not what I do, Sununu said. He went on to say it bothered me that they were okay with that. Then he goes on to say, I said, okay, so we're not going to get stuff done if we win the White House back. Why didn't we do anything in 2017 and 2018? And then he said, how the Republican Sununu spoke to answer the challenge? He said, crickets, yeah, crickets. They had no answer. I did not anticipate that there'd be such a stalwart effort to make sure that the most important thing was that President Biden didn't get anything done. Think about this. What are Republicans for? What are they for? Name me one thing they're for. And so the problem here is that I think what I have to do in the change in tactic, if you will, I have to make clear to the American people what we are for. We've passed a lot. We passed a lot of things that people don't even understand what's in it, understandably. Remember when we passed the Affordable Care Act and everybody thought that, it really was getting pummeled and beaten, and it wasn't until...
Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. To say thank you, please know that I'm giving away Walmart gift cards every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaway, friends, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, friends, and please have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.